Logan Stargazer here, Smexius Avatar in Worlds. This video is how to clone an existing object in Sketchup. Behind me you see a thing I just created. It's terrible. I could have built it from scratch in Sketchup much more efficiently, but this video is not how to build from scratch, it's how to clone something that already exists. So instead of whatever this thing is, let's pretend this is it's a dresser with drawers that I built 10 years ago, and I want to redo it in Mesh. And I have no idea how I made it. I have no idea anything. I just want to redo this thing in Mesh. So that's a dresser. Got it? Okay, that's a dresser. Right, move. First of all, we have to get it into SketchUp so I can see what I'm doing. So we're going to export as Collada. Excuse me. Over to SketchUp, get rid of the guy. Import. Throw it in. Okay, there's my fancy dresser drawer unit. Drop it. There's my fancy dresser drawer unit with 27 drawers and fancy scroll work and all kinds of crazy stuff on it. I'm going to explode this to get the groupings off. All right. Now, well, the number one tool we're going to need is a tape measure, because again, I have no idea how big this thing is. I have no idea how I made it. Yeah. Tape measure. It's up here somewhere. There it is. So first of all, how big is this base? How big is this base? Let's see. From here to here it is, I'm looking down the corner, 3 meters. It's 3 meters by, T for tape measure, it's 3 meters by 0.5 meters. All right. Alrighty, so rectangle, 3 by 0.5. Aha, I got it sideways. Try again. 0.5 by 3. Alright. Tape measure, how tall is it? 4 meters. Push pull, up by 4 meters. Oh, these depressions here. Tape measure. How big are these depressions? Half a meter. And I would assume it's half a meter, so let's see. 0.5. Put in guidelines now. 0.5. I could assume at least that was a balance builder. These are all 0.5. 0.5. How far is it from here to here? 1.25. That's weird. Alright. Would you like to put that right there? 1.25. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try that again. 1.25. Aha. And is this also 1.25 in? Sure is. 1.25 in. How far is it from, you notice halfway, how far is it from here to here? Also 1.75, alright. 1.75. And I'm going to assume, for the sake of simplicity, that's also 1.75 from the bottom. Yeah, that looks good. Rectangle. There, snap to there. There, snap to there. There, snap to there. There, snap to there. Push pull. Through to the back. Not a little too far. Through to the back. Stop. Stop. Push. Pull this through to the back. Snap it to this back edge. Right there. Stop. And there. And there. And there. Alright. Tape measure. How far is it from... Drop that. How far is it from here to here? 1.25. 1.25 in. I would also assume it's, hopefully, drop it, 1.25 in. Yep, sure is. And how tall is the cross part from here to here? It is 2.49. That must be 2.5. Nope. We're going to clone it. We're going to clone this. I guess I was a little sloppy. It's 2.49. All right. All right. Rectangle. There to there. Push pull. All right. 2.49. We'll clone it exactly. I would rather make it 2.5, but whatever. Tape measure. How far is it from here to here? Here to there. 0.66. And the bottom is, that must be a square. 0.66132. 0.66132. 0.66132. 0.66. Huh. Try again. 0.66. Undo. When in doubt, undo. 0.66 meters. I don't know why that's not responding. Let me undo one level. Sorry, sometimes I'm not too frank. Drop it. Tape measure. Drop it. Ah, I was crooked. 0.66 down. Good. We said 1.32 was it? And 1.32 up in the bottom. I would assume it's the same on the other side. 0.66. And for some silly reason I made it 1.32. And how far out do we need to go? From the edge here we need to go 0.79. Okay, 0.79. 0.79. Rectangle. From here to here. Push pull for 0.79. Rectangle from here to here. Push pull for 0.79. There we go. It's cloned. And that's how you use the tape measure, and that's how you use guidelines. Again, yes. I could have made this from scratch in Sketchup much easier, but the point was, how do you clone something that already exists? Looks a little bigger, doesn't it? Well, that's because it's closer. It's just close to the camera, that's all. Alright, there we go. Now the next step would be, if you want to get fancy, you go up here, you say, delete the guidelines, and I suppose we'd get rid of this. Delete, and yeah, that looks good. And then we'd export it as a 3D model and load it up into World, or probably texture it here first, whatever you like. Yeah, texture, you're right. I'm right. You texture it here first for simplicity. Thank you for watching.